Hey you guys, your girl Beauty with Mika. So I am here to give you a Goldmine&Coco Faves Fave unboxing. If you are not following Goldmine&Coco, girl, I'm about to put you on game. This is a female family black owned business. Did you hear me say that again? Black owned family business. Shout out to Fee, shout out to Mr. Goldmine, shout out to Britt, Jazz, and everyone a part of the team, because when I tell you they put their arm, neck, sweat, tears, elbows, fingers all into everything that they create. Goldmine&Coco, if you guys know, is a luxury lifestyle brand. It includes everything from planner content, planner supplies, to black girl magic, to any and everything you need. Like, it's unstoppable. This is an unstoppable brand, and I fell in love with this brand over a year ago, and since then Fee has been getting all my money. When I tell y'all she been getting all my money, every time Fee goes on live, if I see Goldmine&Coco go on live or I get a text message, girl, I will turn it on one device. I have been late for Pilates classes on Fridays trying to get those released, because if you're a gym, you getting the releases, trust me. And releases are always out. But I did sign up for the Fees Fave, which is a lot of Felicia's favorite things to celebrate her birthday at the end of last year. So shout out to her. Happy birthday. Well belated birthday. But let's go and get started with this unboxing, because Mr. Goldmine made it clear that we got these boxes before the Go Wild Planning Convention. He wanted to see it on every social media site. So we promised him that. So here's what I got. Here is... and I'll post the link to the website down below if you're interested. It says Feves Faves. Here is a preview of everything that I'm going to get. And obviously there's a playlist that you can scan. And this is everything that I'm getting in the Feves Fave box. So I love this. Like the whole Queen of Hearts thing. Oh yeah, this is a keeper. This is like staying in my, like, girl, I could put this in a frame. I could make this as a dashboard. Oh yeah, girl. All right, so let's get started. And I am going to actually keep my book open so I can tell you guys what I got. I had got a 50 by 60 blanket. You will, if you're following me on Instagram, you'll be able to see this blanket. Fee posted this, girl. This about to go with me on my vacations. I believe I spent $375 for the box. I don't even care, but I was like, oh no, this is so soft. See the cover right there? Yes. So if you want to follow me on Instagram so you can see this. Everything in here is exclusive if you signed up for the box. If you did not, I don't know if there's going to be an overstock or anything left over from the box. You also get this pouch, which I love. It's dress, not checkers. Oh, it says chess, not checkers. It's cute. Oh yeah, this is going with me. You see how deep that is? Yep, girl. Oh yes, this will go in your makeup bag. Yep. I did get my receipt in here, so I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see where my actual living address is. But I did get a shirt. Yeah, so for the box, you do get a shirt, and I love the packaging on here. So I got this shirt. I got mine in a medium. It is so cute. It says stay positive. I also have the matching cup to this. So I actually got a tumbler. I got an extra tumbler. So one of my friends will definitely get that tumbler. So I'll put this back in here. Also, I got a desk mat. And I'm going to show you guys in the picture what it looks like afterwards, so you guys can take a screenshot. What is this? What is this? Let's see. Oh yeah, the tumbler. So I already got my tumbler. Fee did an exclusive release of this tumbler before. That's why I say you need to stay in the know. So this is what the tumbler looks like. I'm actually going to give this to one of my friends because, girl, when the tumblers were available at Target, I had to order it from Los Angeles to ship to my friend in New York, because for some reason Target wasn't shipping these tumblers to New York. So yeah, my friend, I know she will love this, so I'm gonna send her that. She lucked up. Let's see, what is it here? I'm excited for the box, because y'all don't understand. When you're ordering something and you don't know what you're getting, you putting your full faith in the brand, and I truly put my full faith in the brand. Okay, so this is a diffuser. Oh my God. Oh, I'm trying to make sure y'all can see it. I don't even want to open it. Oh, that smells so good. Jesus. That smells so good. So this is what the diffuser looks like. I got a diffuser. And it's packaged so good. So shout out to Papa Goldmine. Felicia's dad makes a lot of these scents for us. Girl, they are addictive. He taking it old school. He letting us know how he got his wife. This is a candle. And everything is homemade. OMG. Everything is made in the warehouse. So that's how you know, like, it's really comes from the heart. And I got a room spray. And I got a matching room spray. Ooh, I'm about to have some fun. All right, I'm gonna take this out. All right, so I also got a notebook. It's an A5 spiral notebook. And this is what it looks like. Oh yeah. See, anything fee. Oh, and they put like a little folder in here. Cool, cool, cool. Y'all see how deep this box is. Girl, I had to turn off my camera at work to hurry up and grab this when I got the notification. So everything matches and I like it because it's chestnut checkers. And yeah, this is all fee. Let's see, what else did I get? This I was dying for. The CEO, the Girl CEO. It's a business sticker book. Y'all, I have so many of these sticker books from Goldmine that I'm just like, yep. It's like when these sticker books come out, you want to have it. I'm gonna do a quick flip through for you. And I love the colors. It is like rich. Give it to me, girl. Yes. OMG. Oh yeah, this is definitely a work note, a work sticker book. You can keep this in the office with you and plan out your days and your weeks. Yeah, so I love that. And last but not least, oh yeah, okay. Ooh, it's a lot in here. Yep, told y'all it's a lot in here. Girl, I got some sticker dolls. I got some dolls. I got some dolls. Oh my God. I got some dolls. I got some dolls. Let's see. Y'all see I'm ripping it open. This is like Christmas. All right, so we got Haley. We got a Haley light skin. We got Casey. So you got your caramel Casey. You got your light skin Casey. You got Layla. Layla B. Oh yeah. Look at that short haircut. Y'all know I like a short haircut. Look at her. Yes, Miss Reader. She is comfortable. She is enjoying the weather. Look at that curly hair. OMG. We got Sade. Look at her. Look at that blanket. I bet you she got a Goldmine&Co blanket. I bet you she do. And we got Zaria. We love her. She's the friend. Yep. Cool. I got the dolls. Y'all, I don't use my dolls. I collect them. All right. And I got some book. They call them book lava scripts. These are clear and these are supposed to go. You're supposed to use these if you want. So here is, I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'm gonna bring it up. It says book club in different script. You got currently reading. So you could actually take your A5 and create a book notebook. You got read sis, eat, sleep, read, reading time. You got all booked up. Crazy book lady. Because Fee is a book, she reads. Fee got a collection of books. Well read. Readers are gonna read. And book lover. I love these. These are so, so cute. And I read a lot too. You also get a sticker pack. This is a book lover kit. And excuse my ashy hands. Y'all know you still wash your hands over here. We're just doing that before everything. Let's see. All right, so the sticker pack. Here you go. There you go. Oh, yes. Girl, a lot of it's, ooh. Just to think about, how am I going to use this? Because when you get Goldmine and Coco stuff, it's like luxury for planner. And you don't be want to use your stuff. But you know you need to use it. That's how I feel about it. Like, it's the simplicity. And you know that Fee not going to release this stuff again. So you need to have like double of this stuff. So trust me, if she does any like, hey, I got some extra, girl, trust and believe I'm jumping on it. Because I be waiting for those releases on Friday. You can't tell me nothing. I be late for Pilates. And you have a Chestnut Checkers coloring book. Who doesn't love a coloring book? Come through, girl. Don't forget to follow the Facebook group. I will post that link down below. I will post all this everywhere. Because if you ain't following Goldmine & Co, you need to follow it. You need to be a gem. So here's just a preview of everything that I got. I will say, I believe I paid almost $375 for everything. I don't want to hide all my thing, but yeah, that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you love Goldmine & Co, if you're a gem, go in the comments, say, hey girl, hey, let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna plan some stuff. Girl, I am about to have so much fun with this. My friend gonna be happy that she actually got she got her a cup. This desk mat is going straight on my desk because I've been dying to get another desk mat. And I have this cosmetic bag. Oh, and my shirt. So you know I'm going to be rocking it. Other than that, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye.